If you're choosing between Kick and Twitch, the difference they don't tell you about isn't just streaming features. It's creator earnings versus audience reach. Kick became popular because of its creator-friendly revenue split. Streamers can keep a much larger percentage of subscription income compared to many traditional platforms. For smaller creators, that can sound incredibly attractive. But here's the catch. Making more money per subscriber doesn't matter much if you have fewer viewers discovering your content. Twitch takes the opposite approach. Twitch has a massive ecosystem with established communities, categories, integrations, and a much larger viewer base. For many creators, simply having more potential viewers means more opportunities to grow. The downside is that competition is much tougher, and revenue sharing has been a common complaint among streamers. So which platform should you choose? Choose Kick if you want better revenue sharing and fewer platform cuts. Choose Twitch if you want larger audiences, stronger communities, and better long-term growth potential. Bottom line, Twitch is still the stronger platform for most creators because audience size and discoverability matter more than subscription percentages. But if Kick keeps growing, the higher payouts could become much more important over time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.